Good evening, everyone, and welcome to We Inspire, a weekly interview segment with entrepreneurs. So, as the name suggests, today's story is all about chocolates, love, and business. Joining us today is Mr. Satya Vasireddy. He's the co-founder of Lovely Chocos, based in Hyderabad in Telangana. It's an online platform where you can order chocolates and it can be delivered anywhere across India to your loved ones. So, let's welcome Mr. Satya. Welcome, Satya.
Yeah, how are you going, Renoy? Yes, yep.
I'm doing fine, Satya. Thank you for joining us. So, to get started, how did you decide to start a chocolate business?
So it's all credit goes to my wife, Shravani. So me and my wife Shravani, we got married in 2012. So we started Lovely Chocos in the year of 2013. So we thought of doing something, a different kind of business in chocolate, where we started doing personalized chocolates, or you can call it as customized chocolates, where we established a website, and the customer can personalize chocolate on based on the gifting movement and taste, and they select everything. They make the order. We personalize the chocolate, and we used to send it pan India through the logistics services.
Wow. Okay. So that's very sweet, actually, starting something with your spouse.
Yes.
So when it's one thing to start a business, but it's important to differentiate, especially since there's a lot of competition out there. So how were you able to differentiate your chocolates?
Okay. So when we started Lovely Chocos, obviously, as every business owner or every entrepreneur, definitely we have to check with the market what existing products are in the market, what differentiate we're doing. So if you go after the market with the same item or same thing, there's no we can't do any sound in the market. So what we thought was, at the time of starting of like 2013, when we're planning Lovely Chocos, there's a lot of space for the customized thing, like customized mugs and t-shirt printing and a lot of things happening. So when we brainstorming like every piece of information and everything, we thought, why can't we make the chocolate into personalization?
Right.
Where, like, in India, at the time, a lot of women are like, home wrapping the chocolates. They're wrapping as assorted pieces, and they used to sell. So what we thought was, based on like, and also chocolate consumption is not a daily activity for us as an Indian. Like, as outside countries, we don't consume chocolate every day.
Yes.
So there's a gap. So but gifting is a big space. Like, there's a lot of it's a colorful. We had a lot of festivals and lovely moments in every part of life. In India.
Yes.
So a lot of celebration happens in India. So then we thought, why can't we make that celebration blended with chocolate and make it as a gifting concept? Yeah, that's all.
Right. So so instead of wrapping, how are these home-based business making these chocolates?
So it's a very simple thing. So the customer will go into the website lovelychocos.com, and from the chocolate base itself, like, there's an option of like 3 chocolate bases, like milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and white chocolate. Okay. After selection of the chocolate base, they have a variety of toppings. So almost like 50 to 60 variety of toppings are there. Here, so customer will be selecting at least like 5 of the toppings, and after that, he can add an image. Based on the customer, if they want to add an image, they can add an image which is eatable, which is an eatable one. And after that, they add some personalized message, what they want to convey. And after that, based on the gifting moment, they will be selecting the chocolate shapes. So we have a lot of chocolate shapes based on wedding or birthday or baby shower. A lot of based on the gifting theme, we have those shapes and everything. They will be selecting those chocolate shapes. At last, they select the billing address and they make the payment. And after we receive the order, we see, what they have selected will be in a proper order. We customize the chocolate, we design it. Okay. So at this moment, they only have an option of selecting the things and everything, but design we do ourselves. So we design in a proper manner, and we do it packaging and obviously it should be shipped long distance. Everything we make sure the packing is nicely tightly packed, and we send it through Blue Dart and other shipping partners.
Got it. So so if these home cooks are the ones who are preparing the chocolates?
Yeah. So normally some of the raw material will be preparing ourselves, and some of the raw material will be purchasing from the market. I mean,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So does the customer have an option to select the quantity? Because generally chocolates, they are available in smaller quantities. Like you have a wrapping, or it's a bar of chocolate or something
Yeah,
like that.
yeah, definitely. We have like 4 variants. I mean, we have 100-gram bar, we have like 250-gram box, 500-gram box, and 1,000-gram box. I mean,
Oh,
so
okay.
most
So
of like
up
yeah,
to 1 kilo chocolate is available for order.
yes, most of like 100-gram bar will be sold as a gifting favor, like as a bulk order.
Hmm.
So whenever like some people want to gift it as maybe for print, if they're planning as a wedding invitation printed on the chocolate, or else giving as a birthday written gifting, it's the best thing they can do with that 100-gram bar. And afterwards, like if there are people like thinking economy, like spending economy, they can go for this 250-gram box, which is a tiny cute box, which they can print image and message personalizing on the 250-gram.
So another thing I want to touch upon is that the COVID situation has affected business not just in India but all over the world. So I wanted to ask, did it affect your business, and if it did, how were you able to manage it?
Yeah. Seriously, Lovely Chocos is not much affected, but only one thing was there's a lockdown period in Hyderabad for almost like from March, April. There's a total lockdown period. I mean, at the time, yeah, definitely little affected. But once the lockdown has been completed, so it's completely normal. I mean, so and also for us, it's a little bit of um, good start. Why? Because as we are like online business, and there's a remote kitchen area, we used to receive the orders online. We are not directly a store. We don't have any storefront where customer walk in or purchase it. So it all happens in online. So we are very much had very low impact at the COVID situation.
So it's good to hear that. So another element I wanted to focus on, what's it like, going into business with your wife? Because it's one thing to be a husband and wife, but now you're all business partners as well. So how has that dynamic changed your relationship?
Definitely 100%. It's a heartful job what we do. I mean, why? Because from the day one, when I finished my masters and everything, I've never been interested to, I mean, just work as a 9 to 6 or something, doing a job outside. Definitely no, strictly no. So, and also very much my grandfather and my family is a business background, like which I just born and brought up in Guntur, which is it's a town in it's a like mid-sized town in Andhra Pradesh, state of Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
So where I did my schooling and everything, and my family background, or totally into the business side. So definitely that impact it's a very high. So and me started with business with Shravani. Definitely we used to have a proper discussions, and whenever we had a good plans and everything, there used to be a fair feedbacks from both sides. I mean, so they not no whatever I make a business plan and everything. I used to express what my plan to Shravani, and Shravani used to give the proper feedbacks and everything. And that's how we going from almost like 6 to 7 years, the day we started.
That's good to hear that, it's very important to have a very dependable partner given any relationship, especially a one that has, business involved in it. So it's good to hear that you guys have planned out or figured out the equation between you two. So let's move on to another question. In terms of your business, what are your future plans?
So as Lovely Chocos, me and Shravani had a journey of like 7 years, and it's all self-funded up to now, like to today. And but last year, totally due to the COVID situations and everything, the business idea, we thought of it's a right time for expansion. So a lot of business will be they do a back step, but ourselves as a brand of Lovely Chocos, we had a chance in the COVID situation. So why? Because it's all about the business model, effective business model, what we drafted called home-based franchise, where in India it's maybe it's a newbie, the keyword what we marketing called home-based.
Okay.
So Lovely Chocos now as a plan of expansion without any storefront at this moment. We're starting establishing home-based franchises all places in all the major towns or maybe smaller towns in India. So where we provide the raw material, we provide the training and everything. The franchise owner, mostly women, can can set up this business at home itself, looking after the family.
Okay.
So they can start in the normal 10 by 12 kitchen with all the what we provide, the basic equipment and everything. And whenever the order comes up from the website, our website is the storefront. So whenever the new order comes up to their location, they personalize the chocolate, they customize it, they prepare it, and keep it ready for the logistic partner, where logistic partner will deliver the chocolate. Okay. So it's a hassle-free and a very, very effective business model. Yes.
So Satya, finally, can you talk about some of the services you've taken with Vakil Search?
Vakil Search, it's been almost like more than 4 years. I've been traveling with Vakil Search, and on Vakil Search, I have used like share agreement and priority. I used to book too many trademarks on it. So I used to trademark the business names with Vakil Search. Nice. For me, it's a very easy process. All I have to do, I mean, I fill up the form and everything. I used to have a special attention from one of the team member from Vakil Search, where I used to explain what exactly I'm looking for, the business registrations and everything. And why? Because outside, maybe it takes a little bit time to process the paperwork and filing these things. I mean, now trademarking the names and everything through Vakil Search, it's all, I received the application confirmation, everything is the same date, which I loved it, seriously.
All right, good to hear that. So from all of us here at Vakil Search, we wish you the very best in all your future endeavors. Thank you for taking the time to participate in our interview process. Take care.
Ditto. I mean, ditto. I have to say, like, you know, Vakil Search also have to cover more and a lot of entrepreneur stories in India. Why? Because seriously, a lot of growth is there for the small scale businesses which are growing, which are going multinational and going big brand. I mean, becoming big brands in India.
Definitely.
So definitely, and also thanks for providing us as a platform from Vakil Search where we can express our our journey and everything. Thanks, Evan. Thanks.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.
Thanks.